Welcome back. The Second Judicial District Court Pro Bono Committee is teaming up with the New Mexico Legal Aid Volunteer Attorney Program to offer free in-person consultations with attorneys regarding family and civil law at this year's edition of Law-La-Palooza. Here to tell us a little bit more is Judge Jane Levy. Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome. Thank you so much for being here this morning.
Thank you for having me.
Tell us a little bit about Law-La-Palooza. What is this?
So Law-La-Palooza is an in-person legal fair covering both family and civil, and it's held at the Cesar Chavez Community Center.
Okay. And it's an all-day thing. Who can come and what is the purpose?
Yeah, it is 9 to 5. In the morning is family law and in the afternoon is civil. So anybody with a legal question or a case can come in the family area or in civil.
And the goal is to kind of get some legal advice for free, correct?
Exactly. These are all volunteer attorneys volunteering their time. Court staff will be there, and the Legal Aid of New Mexico will also be there.
And you mentioned before we came back from break that there are tons of attorneys that will be there. Yes. But one important thing to note is that it is first come, first serve.
It is, so I would definitely get there. If you're there for the family, be there early, and the same thing for the afternoon session.
Okay. Now, what are some good things for people to bring to Law-La-Palooza to really be prepared for that one-on-one with the attorney?
So if you have a pending case, bring the documents from that case. Okay. If you want to file a case, make sure that you have information about your opposing parties, any children that might be involved in the case. That should also be brought. So that kind of information will be helpful to the attorneys.
Now, if people can't make Law-La-Palooza in person, you guys also offer something like this over the phone once a month, correct?
We do. We partner with Legal Aid and also Law Access and the Pro Bono committees. And so they have a monthly legal fair. It's by phone now, and so this is in person, but we do have a by phone option.
And where can we go for more information on Law-La-Palooza or the over the phone conversation?
So you're welcome to come to our website, the Second Judicial District Court. Also, New Mexico Legal Aid has information on their website, and your Channel 13 has been very helpful in providing information to us.
Judge, one last question for you. How important is it to offer this resource to the people of New Mexico, making sure that they have these kinds of questions answered for free?
It is extremely important. People are overwhelmed by the court process, and even just getting an hour of guidance or some time with an attorney to understand what am I filing, what is my case, how do I answer if I've been served, that's hard to understand. So having the opportunity to ask those questions and feel comfortable makes it easier to survive and provide information to the judge.
Judge, thank you again so much for being here. Now, if you are someone who is having a challenging time navigating that court process, we'll have all of the information from this interview on our website. That's always on krqe.com. Stick with us. We'll be right back after the break.